Hello, first video. Hello, my name is Yureide. I am Colombia. Hans have been living for the world who I love very much. I love having time Monday with Lore the Gomez. I like to music. I dislike this disorder. I like to have free time with my son and so I head out of the. I like sharing with my friends. I present my apartment. I was introducing to my apartment. Chair is my room where is sleep with me, my son, where he a big TV and several of his toys. She is my son's playroom and some other for during height. She clothes with high lash mirror dresser which has large mirror. Finally, I present my dining room is a little small. It is my learning space where connect the university and also my son uses it to create his work of art. Thank you.